I'm going to say a letter and then I'm going to say the sound and then it will be your turn to say the letter and the sound. Letter E, sound, eh. Your turn. Sound. Good job. My turn. Letter R, sound, Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. My turn. Letter H, sound, Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. My turn. Letter G, sound, G, like the goose. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. You've got it. My turn. Letter L, sound, L. Your turn. Letter, sound. Awesome. And I see you doing the motion when you do it. Good job. My turn. Letter I, sound, I. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. And I even seen your igloos. Very good. My turn. Letter F, sound, Your turn. Letter, sound. Ooh, nice fountains. Good job. My turn. Letter N, sound, N. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. I like the nest that I saw too. Good job. My turn. Letter Z, sound, Z. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. Thank you for doing the motions too. My turn. Letter K, sound, K. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. My turn. Letter B, sound, B. Very good. It's your turn. Letter, sound, and the B says B. There's no it's just B. Okay, good job. My turn. Letter C, sound, K. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. Wow, you're doing great. Put your hand on your back. Say, I'm doing so good. You are. My turn. Letter P, sound, P. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. My turn. Letter W, sound, W. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. Letter U, sound, ah. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. My turn. Letter O, sound, ah. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. My turn. Letter X, sound, X. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. And I heard two sounds when you did that. Good job. My turn. Letter Y, sound, Y. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. This is a V. Letter V, sound, V. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. My turn. Letter Q, sound, Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. You all look like kings and queens. Good job. Letter J, sound, J. Your turn. Letter, sound. Good job. My turn. Letter D, sound D. Your turn. Letter, sound. Excellent. Now, I'm going to share two words. If they rhyme, you're going to tell me the ending sound and give me a thumbs up. If they don't rhyme, you're going to give me a thumbs down. Okay? So if they rhyme, what are you going to do? You're going to go the ending sound and then thumbs up. If they don't rhyme, you're going to give me good job. Okay, here we go. Tap, map. Your turn. Tap, map. What's the ending sound? App. Good job. Now here's the next one. Big, wig. Your turn. Big, wig, ig. You're right. Good job. And you're giving me a thumbs up. Excellent. Next two words. Listen. Yes, me. Yes, me. Do they rhyme? No, they don't have the same ending. Yes. No. Okay, let's do into the next one. Tag, bag. Your turn. Tag, bag. Ag. You're right. They rhyme. And you're giving me a thumbs up. Good job. Next two words. High, go. Listen to the end. High, go. No, they don't rhyme. Wow, you're getting that. Good job. Next one. Hut, home. Look at my mouth at the end. Hut, home. No, they don't rhyme. Good job. And I like seeing your thumbs down so you know in your brain they don't rhyme. Good job. Next two words. My, you. My, you. No, they don't rhyme. Good job. You can even do it with your mouth and know. Not hot. Let's try it one more time. Not hot. Ought. I heard you say ought. Good job. So they're a thumbs up. Good job. Next two words. C2. Do it with me. C2. Do you think those rhyme? S-E-T-oo. No, they don't rhyme. Good job. Next two words. Get, met. You say it. Get, met, at. You're right. At. They do rhyme. Good job. Put your hand on your back and say, I am doing so good. You sure are. Now we're going to do the beginning sound. So we're going to put our hand for the beginning sound up. You're almost there. There you go. Good job. Now I'm going to say the word, and you're going to say the word, and then you're going to say the beginning sound. Here we go. Bump. Bump. B is at the beginning. Good job. Next word. Did. Did. D was at the beginning. I heard you say it right before me. That's our goal. All right. Here we go. Gum. G was at the beginning. The first sound you said. Good job. Next word. Jar. J was the first sound. Good job. Lick. L was the first sound. Very good. Next word. I say it, then you say it. Neck. Very good. Quilt. Was at the very beginning. You've got it. Sand. S. Very good. Next word. Very. V. Very good. Next word. Yard. Y was a beginning sound. Good job. Now I'm going to say two words and you're going to put them together. Here we are. I'm going to say the two words and you're going to say the word together. Okay, the word that it makes. Waterfall. Waterfall. Very good. Next one. Footprint. Footprint. You've got it. Wishbone. Wishbone. You've got that one. Good job. Door stop. Door stop. You're doing so good. Let's do another one. Bird house. Bird house. Good job. Finger paint. Finger paint. If you've ever done that, put your finger right here on your little, in between your eyebrows. Good job. All right, here we go. Cookbook. Cookbook. Good job. Rainstorm. Rainstorm. You're right. Good job. Hairbrush. Hairbrush. Where is my hairbrush? Now it's the next one. Workbook. Workbook. We have those at school. You're right. Now we're going to do the ending sound. Put your arm up so you know you're going to be doing the ending sound. The last sound you say is the one I want. Okay? What do I want? Oh, the last sound you say. Okay, let's do it. I'm going to say the word, you're going to say the word, and then you're going to say the last sound. All right, we're ready. Sob. B is the last sound. Sob. Very good. All right, next word. Hid. Hid. D. Very good. Next word. Cliff. What's the word? Last sound is that last sound you say. Rag. What's the word? Rag. Last sound? G. Good job. Fix. What's the word? Fix. X. Oh, it's like the one we did. X. Ooh. That's an X. Good job. Next word. Pick. What's the word? Pick. K. Good job. Next word. Bell. Bell. Ooh is the last sound. Very good. Came. Came. Is at the end. Good job. Tan. What's the word? Tan. Is at the end. Good job. Sip. Sip. P is at the end. Good job. You're getting it. Say, good job, brain. Wow, you're doing great. Now I'm going to say 2 words together and you're going to split them apart. Oh, here we go. Blackbird. I heard blackbird. Good job. Next one. Horseback. I heard horse back. Very good. Overtime. I heard overtime. Good job. Next one. Anyone. I heard anyone. Good job. Next 2 words, I'm going to put them together and you're going to take them apart. Somewhere. I heard somewhere. Good job. Next 2 words, I'm going to keep them together. You're going to take them apart. Rainfall. I heard rainfall. Good job. Bookmark. I heard bookmark. Good job. Farmyard. Farmyard. Good job. Next 2 words together, you get to pull them apart. Rowboat. I heard rowboat. Very good. Next word, popcorn. I heard popcorn. Good job. Now, I have a word, and the word is, I'm going to put it this way. The word is airport. Airport. I'm going to take the port away, and I'm going to put plain in.